Here at Jensen Elementary, we just kicked off our kindness challenge. We invited Think Kindness to come and share their excitement and their journey and their knowledge about kindness with our students. And they kicked it off with an assembly, telling stories about their journeys and how they've learned how one simple act of kindness can really change the world. And they inspired our students here at Jensen to take on a challenge. And over the next 15 days, we are challenged to do at least 5,000 acts of kindness here at school, where we're complimenting one another. Yesterday, students were picking up trash on the playground. Today, a kindergarten teacher found snacks in her mailbox. And just doing these things, a lot of them are anonymous, and just seeing how one little act of kindness can change somebody else's day and how it can make us feel on the inside. And we know that this is not just a 15-day journey here at Jensen. This is something we are focused on all the time, but what we do hope is that this journey in these 15 days really plants a seed that we can grow and water and nurture over the time that we have kids here at Jensen and their whole experience through Urbandale Community School District.
You would like to be the kindest school in America? Yes.
We just kicked off our kindness challenge this morning with our entire student body. The students have been set to the challenge of documenting over 5,000 acts of kindness towards one another. We are promoting this act of kindness not only during this 15-day challenge, but beyond that, every day, where students feel the power of just a simple act of kindness, how much of a difference that can make on someone else and how good it makes them feel inside.
I am officially granted by Kelley